This is the most impressive craftsman you've ever seen, and not without a reason. He starts by cutting the wood, making sure every cut is flawless. Next, he picks up his trimming tool, ideal for smoothing out rough edges. This is the most crucial and time-consuming step, as it's where the shape truly takes form. Now, it's time to bring in his special assistants. Together, they start painting the stripes in vibrant red, white, and blue. The stars get that perfect touch, all thanks to her steady hand and a bit of guidance from Dad. Finally, he adds a layer of lacquer for that smooth, polished look. It brings out the wood grain and gives it the life-lasting shine. Here's the finished result. What do you think?